Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to break down for you how you can change the size of your cells in Google Sheets really quickly. So let us get started right away. Now, doing this is really no rocket science, guys. All you need to do is left click on the given cell and start by changing its width as well as its height. So starting with the height, you may, for example, click on that button here on the left hand side where you see the rows, the corresponding rows, which in this case here would be row 10. Hover your mouse over the border of that row and left click and simply drag that row down or to the top to increase the given cell's height. So you may do the same with your cell's width, but in this case here, simply hover your mouse over the border of the corresponding column, just like that. In this case here, column A and also B. So what you want to do is click on that border here and simply resize and adjust the column width, just like that, and that is going in as a result is going to change your cell's size significantly, guys. And that's how you resize cells on Google Sheets. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time.